Okay, today we are going to talk about how to create an MLA citation for an image that you found on a website. So here's the information that you are going to need to create your citation. The name of the artist or the person who took the photo and uploaded it to the website. The title of the image. The name of the website where the image was uploaded. The website publisher. The URL of the website, and the date that you accessed it. So I have already gone to pixabay.com and found an image that I want to use. We've talked about how important it is to find a copyright-free image. Pixabay is a website that has copyright-free images, so I know this image is okay to use without the permission of the person who took the photo. So the first piece of information I need to find is the name of the artist. That is listed over here to this side. Lena Lindell 20 is the person who took this photo and or uploaded it to the pixabay.com site. So I'm going to go back over here, and the first piece of info that I'm going to write down is Lena Lindell 20. Period. Then I'm going to go back to my image, and the next piece of information I'm going to look for is the title of the image. So sometimes it will be listed underneath the image, sometimes it will be up here, and sometimes, like in this case, there is no title of the image. What you have to do then is you have to create a title that describes the content of the image. So what I might say about this image is that it is people enjoying a gondola ride in Venice. And I would come back here and I would type that. Now, if you create the title yourself from a description of the image, you do not put that in italics or in quotation marks. You don't put that in quotation marks at all. Then we go back and we need to find the name of the website. Well, that's easy. It's pixabay.com. After that, we need to find out who publishes this. Who sponsors or publishes Pixabay, and we could look on About Us. That here, we see that Pixabay seems to be a company of its own, so we could come back to our citation, and the publisher is going to be Pixabay. The next thing we need is the URL. So let's go back to the page where we found this image, and we would copy the URL right here. And the last piece of information we would need is the date we accessed this. So I'm creating this video on September 2nd, 2019. That is the information that I would use, the date that I would use for the date that I accessed the photo. When I put all of this information together in an MLA citation for this image, here's what it looks like. We have the name of the artist, the title of the image, and remember there was no title, so I created a description, and that is why it is not in quotation marks. The website name, the website publisher, the URL, and then the date accessed.